So you rotate this way.
Yes. Leslie, come here, quick! Leslie, come here! Come here! Come stand here with Leslie! Alright.
Alright, everybody. Results are in. Bets. What do we think it is?
A
boy. Okay.
See.
Ready?
1.
3. We're going 3, 2, 1, 0.
You count down.
Are we popping on 0?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Popping on 0.
What, do I have to say 0? Or do I just pop?
Just after.
Okay. 3. Count, girls.
3,
2.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tell the camera what you guys think. Baby boyfriend?
Yeah.
It's the baby boy.
Ready? Get the baby boy that's gonna be your friend.
Finally a boy.
Finally, I don't have to be the only one. I don't have to get a boy dog now. So we'll just deal with the boy, baby boy. That'll be interesting. We're super happy that it's a boy after 3 girls. Comment down below if you thought we were gonna have another girl. I'm pretty sure a lot of people did. But I thought we were gonna have another girl, but this is awesome.